Problem number 5. From the following trial balance of Ajit and Sujit, you are required to prepare a trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2019 and balance sheet as on that trial balance as on 31st December 2019. Particulars: capital Ajit 60,000, Sujit 40,000. Drawing account Ajit 2,000, Sujit 1,000. Stock on 1/1/2019 44,000. Bills receivable 1,800. Purchase and sales 1,90,000, 3,02,000. Return 6,000, 2,000. Salaries 10,000. Carriage outwards 1,400. Wages 24,000. Insurance 1,600. Discount received 200. Postage 800. Debtors and creditors 70,400 and 64,200. Furniture 24,000. Cash in hand 9,800. Machinery 80,000. Rent and taxes 1,200. Printing and stationery 400. Total of the both the side 4,68,400. Adjustments: the closing stock on 31st December 2019 was valued at 56,000. The outstanding expenses were wages rupees 2,000, salaries rupees 930. Goods of rupees 2,000 were distribution as free samples. Interest on partners' capital was to be provided at 7% per annum. Paid insurance was
Ria, come here.
100. Depreciation was to be provided on furniture at 10% and on machinery at 5%. A reserve for bad and doubtful debts was to be created at 5% on sundry debtors. Friends, this is a particular question. This particular question we are going to learn, we are going to solve. It is a one of the basic question because it is a pure basic final account question is there. In this particular question, they are provided various kinds of information and you have to prepare simple trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. They are provided the calendar year they are provided, and this particular problem they are provided information regarding the various things. Let us discuss how we will solve our problem. Now friends, we will discuss the first trial balance. Under the trial balance, various kinds of items are there. That items, which item we will record it under which account, that we are going to learn. First trial balance we will discuss. Now friends, capital Ajit, Sujit. Now capital they are provided Ajit and Sujit in our simple final account. We will write Ajit's capital 60,000, Sujit's capital 40,000, balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Now friends, before discussing further items, I want to remember one concept regarding the capital. Capital recorded two ways, that is fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Capital we will show two ways, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Now here we are using fluctuating capital method. Why we called as a fluctuating capital method? Because we will prepare only trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. And balance sheet liability side we have to show our capital balances and any amount related to the capital, any item related to the capital, that will be add or less. Now how it is add or less, that we will discuss, but it is a method is called as a fluctuating capital method. Now next is drawing, they are provided. Ajit drawing 2000, Sujit drawing 1000. Now one thing you have to keep in mind,
सबके
whenever
बैकग्राउंड
they
नॉइज
are
खूप
provided
येतोय.
trial balance, every item we will record it in one time. It means every item has one effect. There is no two effects. Adjustment, we can say that there is a two effect or more than two effects, but every item in our trial balance we will record it in a one time. One effect we have to put. These things you have to keep in mind. But drawing is a particular item. Yes, what happened? Is there any problem? Okay, I don't want any kind of noise. Many students are disturbing. So those who are coming late and they are not mute their audio and therefore they disturb the others. So I don't want these kinds of disturbance. You can mute yourself and you just only listen the lectures. Listening is one of the important activity. And one thing I already informed that if you want to give attendance, you should keep on your audio. Automatically, your picture, your photo will scan, and your attendance we will record it. So keep on video. And now I don't want any kind of disturbance from your side because other many students are asking the questions. Someone is murmuring, someone is disturbing. So don't disturb others. Just concentrate on our final account problem. Now, friends, capital we have to show balance sheet liability side. Drawing, they are provided Ajit's drawing 2000, Sujit's drawing 1000, drawing less from capital. Drawing is a personal expense of the partner and it is deducted from capital. It is deducted from capital. Now they are provided stock on 1/1/2019. The stock, it is a opening stock. Opening stock always recorded trading account. Opening stock always recorded trading account. Bill receivable, balance sheet asset side. Purchases and sales. 1,90,000 is a purchases and 3,02,000 is a sales. Purchases 1,90,000 recorded trading account debit side and 3,02,000 sales recorded trading account credit side. Then return. Return, these two types of return is there. Return inward and return outward. Return inward and return outward. 2,000 amount of return we will deduct it from the purchases and 6,000 amount of return we will deduct it from the sales. Salaries we will record it profit and loss account debit side. Salary where we have to put Profit and loss account, debit side. This thing you have to keep in mind. Then after that, carriage outward, we have to show in our profit and loss account, debit side. Wages, trading account, debit side. Insurance, profit and loss account, debit side. Discount received, it is the income, profit and loss account, credit side. Postage, profit and loss account, debit side. Debtors, debits amount is there. The debtors 70,400. This debtors we have to show balance sheet, asset side. Creditors 64,200. We have to show balance sheet, liability side. Furniture we have to show balance sheet, asset side. Cash in hand we have to show balance sheet, asset side. Machinery, balance sheet, asset side. Rent and taxes, profit and loss account, debit side. Printing and stationery, profit and loss account, debit side. The three friends, we discuss we discuss the various kinds of items which is held in the trial balance. All trial balance items we have to show in our trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance. Now we will discuss adjustment. Now friends, every adjustment we have to give two effects, and every adjustment has two effects. These things you have to keep in mind. Sometimes more than two effects are also there. Now you know about your studied adjustments closing stock on 31st December 2019 was valued at rupees 56,000. Now what will be the effect of the closing stock? Any idea? Those who know something, they can unmute yourself and give the answers. Closing stock effect. What will be the effect of the closing stock?
Balance sheet, asset side, trading account, credit side.
Balance sheet, asset side, and trading account, credit side. Yes, Mr. Gupta gave the answers regarding these closing stock effects. First effect we have to give trading account, credit side, closing stock, and second effect balance sheet, asset side, closing stock. Amount same 56,000, right? Then after that, next outstanding expenses, wages rupees 2,000 and salaries rupees 930. Now outstanding, it means not paid. Outstanding is not paid. Wages rupees 2,000 out and salaries rupees 930. Now can you give the effects? Anyone can give the effect?
तो वेजेस इफेक्ट जाएगा ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में और सैलरीज का जाएगा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के क्रेडिट साइड में सॉरी डेबिट साइड में जाएगा और सेकेंड इफेक्ट जाएगा इसका बैलेंस शीट के एसेट साइड में
Okay, fine. Now, Mr. Atul, your answer is not right. Wages, we already recorded our wages trading account debit side 24,000. This particular 24,000 wages, we will added outstanding wages 2,000 in trading account. We will add it. Okay, fine. Atul, this answer is your answer is right, but second effect we will not give asset side. Second effect we have to show liability side.
Liability side.
Yes,
सॉरी
Arti, right. The liability side, outstanding wages 2,000. We have to show outstanding wages 2,000. Even the salary already we recorded 10,000 to profit and loss account, and this 10,000 amount we will add outstanding salary 930. We will add it to profit and loss account. Debit side, salaries amount 10,000 is there. We will add it the outstanding 930. And second effect we have to give balance sheet,
Balance.
liability
Yeah.
side. Balance sheet, liability side, outstanding salaries. I hope you understood. It's very simple. Now, goods of rupees 2000 were distributed as a free samples. Who will give the effect? Yes, any idea? It's very simple. If you know something, you can unmute yourself and give the answers. Yes,
Profit and loss account debit side, then profit and loss account credit side.
Miss Aarti, answer is not right. Two effects are not right.
Sir,
Any other
sir,
answers?
distributing,
Trading
yes, sir.
trading account
Uh,
credit side, sir.
trading account credit
See
side
that?
Account
and
credit side.
Profit and loss account.
First effect, trading
Yes,
account credit side, and
right.
second effect, uh, like
loss.
asset side, I think.
See that if you are not sure, so don't give. You don't give answers if you are not sure. Always,
Trading
what?
account credit side and profit and loss account debit side.
Yes, Rushal is right. Rushal is right. Absolutely right. First effect we have to give trading account credit side, goods distributed as a free sample 2000. And second effect we have to give free sample is a loss. Free sample, there is no income freely distributed. Therefore, we have to show loss on distribution of the free sample in profit and loss account debit side 2000. The first effect trading account credit side, free distribution of the goods distribution as a free sample 2000. And second effect profit and loss account debit side. Why it is a debit? Because distribution is a loss. Then after this adjustments, for the adjustment, interest on partners capital was to be provided at 7% per annum. Partners capital interest, can you calculate the interest? Anyone can do? You have the calculator? Can you calculate the interest value? Ajit's capital 60,000, Sujit's capital 40,000. Anyone can calculate? Can you give the answers of the interest? You just calculate. Effects we will consider afterwards.
4,200.
Yes, Miss Aarti, right. Ajit's interest 4,200. 60,000 into 7 divided by 100. Use your calculator and find out the value. And it will be?
And Sujit 2,800.
Yes, right. Right. Both the answers are right, Aarti Gupta. Now, this interest on capital, Ajit interest on capital 4,200 and Sujit interest on capital 2,800. Now this particular interest on capital we have to show two effects. We will give two effects. Can you explain? Anyone can explain the two effects of the interest on capital? If you know something, then you have to give the answers. Otherwise, don't guess. Any
Profit and
idea?
loss debit side and add in capital, partners capital.
Okay. And second effect?
First effect, profit and loss account debit side, and second effect, add in partners capital.
Okay, right. Both the he has right. What's a good name, Mister?
Sachin Gupta.
Yes, Sachin Gupta is right. He has given the right answer. First effect, we have to give profit and loss account debit side. Interest on capital. Ajit's 4,200 and Sujit 2,800. The first effect, profit and loss account, debit side. Second effect, we will added to capital. Ajit's capital was 60,000. We will added the interest. And Sujit's capital 40,000. We will added interest. The two effects are over. Now, friends, I want to share one important point. Whenever you will record capital, whenever you will record the capital value, this capital value we will record it liability side. And I already informed that drawing we have to deduct from capital. Yes or no? But always keep in mind whatever amounts or whatever items you are added and deducted from the capital, drawing always deduct last. Drawing always deduct last. Always deduct last. Don't deduct first. First preference you should give interest on capital. Interest on capital added first in our capital, and then second preference you have to give to net profit. Net profit we will add it to the capital, and then after that whatever add is there, whatever deduction is there, and then after that last effect we will deduct the drawing from capital. Always you have to keep in mind drawing always deducted last. First we have to added interest, then second we have to added net profit. Sometimes loss is there that we have to deduct, and drawing we will deduct after adding deducting all items remaining. Then last item we have to deduct it, that is drawing. I hope you understood what is going on. Now fifth number adjustment, prepaid insurance was rupees 100. Prepaid insurance was rupees 100. Now can you give the two effects? Do you know something?
Balance sheet asset side.
I don't want guessed answers. Don't guess.
Sir, prepaid insurance is a profit and loss accounts entry
Okay. I want the
and
two
just
effects.
added, not for less.
सर
Less from
प्रॉफिट
insurance.
एंड लॉस अकाउंट
And
इंश्योरेंस है
second
प्रीपेड तो
effect is
लेस
asset
करेंगे,
side.
ये फर्स्ट इफेक्ट होगा उसमें से, और सेकंड इफेक्ट आएगा एसेट्स में प्रीपेड करके.
Okay. See the paid in advance. Prepaid means, the meaning of the prepaid means paid in advance. The paid in advance insurance already we recorded profit and loss account debit side 1,600. From this insurance, we will deducted prepaid insurance. We will deducted prepaid insurance. It is 100 we will deduct it. The first effect, less prepaid from insurance. It means profit and loss account debit side, insurance is there. From this insurance we will deducted the prepaid. This is the first effect. Second effect, prepaid is an advance paid, extra we paid, so it is our asset. Prepaid is our asset. Therefore, prepaid insurance we have to show. Second effect, balance sheet asset side. Yes, Mr. Sunil Gurao, two effects. I hope you understood. What are the two
Yes,
effects?
sir.
Less from
Yes, sir.
insurance, prepaid, deducted. Always remember, prepaid
Yes, sir.
or advance deducted from the insurance. And second effect, we have to give balance sheet asset side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, mute yourself. Then
Okay, okay.
outstanding always added. And second effect, liability side. Prepaid always deducted, and second effect, asset side. Prepaid, asset side, outstanding, liability side. So these things you have to keep in mind, because These are the adjustment regularly is there in every question, and you should know about. Now, next, depreciation was to be provided on furniture at 10% and on machinery at 5%. Now, depreciation. What are the two effects of the depreciation?
बैलेंस शीट असेट साइड से लेस होगा एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में ऐड होगा.
Now, first of all, we have to
Debit
calculate.
side.
First of all, we have to calculate the furniture depreciation and machinery's depreciation. Now, furniture value 24,000. On 24,000, we will charge 10% value. It means 2,400. It means
Yes, sir.
2,400.
2,400.
And machinery's value 80,000. On that, we have to charge 5%. It means
4,000.
4,000. So 2,400 is a depreciation on furniture and 4,000 is a depreciation on machinery. This depreciation first effect profit and loss account debit side. Depreciation on furniture 2,400, depreciation on machinery 4,000. Now second effect, less from fixed asset. Less from furniture 24,000 minus 2,400, and machineries is a balance sheet asset side is there, again 80,000 minus 4,000, rest of the value we have to put outer part. Okay, I hope you understood the depreciation two effects. It's not a it is not a difficult, you already studied, and this problem is a revision. Now friend, seventh number adjustment. A reserve for bad and doubtful debts was to be created at 5% of sundry debtors. Now, who will give? First of all, you have to find out RDD. It is a new RDD and it is a 5% on sundry debtors. How much value of the debtor? 70,400. Debtor's value 70,400. On that, we have to find out 5%. Can you find out the 5%?
3,520.
Okay, right. 3,520. 3,520. Now this RDD is called as a new RDD. This RDD is called as a new RDD. 3,520. Now every adjustment has two effects. Yes, any idea about the two effects? Who can give the answer?
First effect profit and loss debit side. Second effect less from some debtors.
Yes, right. Yes, Mr. Gupta. The first effect, profit and loss account, debit side, new RDD. And second effect, less from debtors. 70,500, 400 minus 3,520, we will deduct it. So first RDD always deducted from debtors and always added to bad debts. Bad debts are not there in our profit and loss account. So we will show separately RDD 3520. I hope you understood the seventh number adjustment. And now our problem is over. Now what we will do? I have discussed the various things. Then after that, we have to prepare in the books of trading account for the year ended. In the books of Messer Ajit and Sujit, trading account we will prepare. It is almost 6 to 7 page lines. Then in the books of Ajit and Sujit, we will prepare profit and loss account. It is also 8 to 9 lines. 10 around 10 to 12 lines are enough. Then after that, we will prepare in the books of Mr. Ajit and Sujit balance sheet. Whole page you have to give. One page, first page trading and profit and loss account. For we have to record the trading account items and profit and loss account items. One page you have to give, and second whole page you have to give to the balance sheet, liability side and asset side, and we will record it the items. Yes or no? Why we will prepare the trading account? To find out the gross profit. I will give the answers that you have to take down. Gross profit will come 96,000. Gross profit will come 96,000. Net profit will come. Net profit will come 61,050. Net profit will come 61,050. And balance sheet tally total will be 2,32,180. 2,32,180. This will be the tally total. Okay, so we have discussed the orally, but oral discussion is not a matter. Always we required the practical. We have today first only one lecture. I have discussed. You have to solve the problem. If it is any difficulty, you can ask our WhatsApp group is there. On that you can ask the question regarding any kind of question, any type of problem. Even the chat box you can ask the question, and any kind of problem related to our accounting treatments you can ask. I will answer your queries. Do you have any problem regarding this? Is there any problem? I repeat again, gross profit. Gross profit is 96,000 will come. That you have to keep in mind, or you can put on notebook also. And net profit will come 61,050. 61,050. And balance sheet total, both the side, 2,32,180. 2,32,180. These are particular problem you can easily solve. If you have any doubt, I will be there. You can share any kind of doubt. Okay, now last entry, return Sangana. Return Sanga. Parat Sanga. Okay. One of the your sisters, she's asking me about the last entry. Now, friends, reserve for ban and doubtful dates will be always calculated on sundry debtors. Our sundry debtors they are provided in our problem 70,400. On that, we have to find out the 5% value. So 5% value will be rupees, how much? 3,520. This 3,520 we will deduct it from the debtors. We will deduct it from the debtors 3,520 from 70,400. We will deduct it. Debtors value 70,400 minus 3,520. The rest of the value we have to put outer column. And second effect, we have to give profit and loss account debit side new RDD 3,520. The first effect, less from debtors. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side. So I hope you understood this particular chapter, and to next lecture, whenever we will come, so we will discuss problem number 7. We will discuss next lecture problem number 7. Those student, they don't have the notes, I already provided PDF form. You can put your question on your notebook, and it is very simple to understand. Okay, problem number 7 next lecture we will discuss. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. It is a big problem and it is very interesting problem. Okay, so today's lecture is over. I hope you understood the various parts of the final account. Okay, bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.